All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to not just ban words, but also emotes. Does anyone ever come in your chat and just throw some emotes down and leave every day? Well, just copy those real quick. We're going to take those and other words, and we're going to ban them from the channel. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to log into streamelements, and we're going to scroll down the left-hand side, the chat bot drop-down menu. Once we click that, we're going to look for banned words. We're going to ban words. We're going to create a new group, name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it things that I hate. That's it. Then you can give a timeout duration. You can do timeout. You can do ban. You can delete the message. Maybe delete the message would be kind of fun, but I'm going to get timeout the user. If you timeout a user, it will actually unmod them. So don't make sure you don't affect your mods, but it will delete every message that they ever sent automatically. So I'm going to time them out. The reason is going to be, I don't like those emotes. And then you can exclude regular viewers. Let's just do subscribers. So we don't have to worry about, if you're subscribed, you can do whatever you want. You know what I mean? Then we're going to ban words, add a new banned phrase. Within the enter banned phrase, we're going to take those that we copied, we're going to paste them right here. But of course, he may not do them in the same order. So what we're going to do is we're going to do them individually and save. That's done. Let's make sure you turn it on, because by default it was off. Turn it on. We're going to go back in and we're going to add another one. We're going to do like the second one. All right, we're just going to keep doing this until we get all three. Save. Add another one. The last one, and save. Boom. Now you can add other words if you don't like, you know what? I kind of don't like when people use the word moist. Oh, I don't even want to say it. Moist. So we're going to put that in there. We're going to save moist, and that's it. Now nobody can use those emotes or words on your stream. Have fun and good luck. Have a wonderful sale. How to, I don't even know what I'm saying. Banned emote words. Twitch ID, log on, blah, blah. Come over to Streamlabs. I'm sorry, let's cut that out. Option, you guys can't even see it, can you? Ah! I can't stop smiling. That was hard, okay?